We've heard a lot of Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 rumors at this time, but this one may be the most extensive in terms of fresh information. That comes from Ice Universe, who, as you may know, is the go-to source for insider information on Samsung phone models. First, he claims that both the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip will employ water droplet hinges, which you may already be aware of. If not, here are some of the benefits of utilizing this hinge design. But what's new is the support for IPX8 water resistance. This is an improvement over the Z Fold 4's IPX7 rating. So, what's the difference, you could ask? With IPX8, you may now submerge the phone for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. During 30 minutes, the depth was 1 meter with IPX7. So it's not a great change, but it's an improvement. However, this also verifies that the phone will not be dust resistant, as a prior rumor said a few days ago, which shouldn't be a major concern since, as I previously stated, there hasn't been a single phone that has failed due to dust entering the phone's hinges. Continuing on, he claims that the dimensions of the Z Fold 5 and Fold 4 vary by just 0.2 millimeters. So he essentially implies that the overall size of the phone will stay the same. The thickness of the phone will be reduced by approximately 3 millimeters as a consequence of this droplet hinge, however, since the phone will close entirely when folded with no gap in the center. He also says that Samsung has reduced the Z Fold 5's total weight. It now weighs 254 grams, 9 grams less than the Z Fold 4. The iPhone 14 Pro Max weighs 240 grams, making it just 14 grams heavier. The Z Fold 5's outside screen will stay at 6.2. But, he is unsure if the width of the cover screen will stay constant. We'll just have to wait and see. The Z Flip 5 will sport a redesigned cover screen that covers most of the front area and is practically square in shape. The size is 3.4, which is a significant improvement over the Z Flip 4's 1.9 cover screen. The Z Flip 5 will also have reduced bezels inside, which is fantastic, and both the Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 will employ revolutionary touchscreen technology. I'm not sure what he means by that, but I'm guessing it's a new and improved display. We'll have to wait and watch for additional information. He claims that the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 will not employ the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Plus. Instead, it will be the same model as the S23, which is the 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. And that makes sense since the Galaxy 8 Gen 2 is already an overclocked version of the Galaxy 8 Gen 2. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.